Monka S.
Oh man. Oh, here comes one.
Monka S.
Whoa, we're underwater now! That's so weird.
Holy fuck. Jesus Christ. That looks gnarly. Atlas at launch. Jesus. Holy fuck. Monka S. This music. Why do they have to do this music like this, please? This is for... Oh my god. Oh my god. That poor man.
Where the fuck I am?
I want to go on a cruise. I don't know if you'd survive on a cruise.
By Debbie Gibson.
Ooh. What do you mean I'd survive on a cruise? The hell? Okay. This music's great. All I need is a laptop with some games on. I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna play some City Skylines offline. Oh. Oh no. What? What? Okay. Oh no, all the stuff. No, the stuff. No. Oh, damn. Big boy waves. You wouldn't survive on a cruise if you had no laptop or computer there. What if it was like a 5-day cruise? I think I could do it. Or 4. I don't know. This music. This music's fucking great.
Really big waves that are knocking this boat around like crazy right now. This is through my porthole that we're looking at on the 4th, deck 4. So you can see how far down these swells
Shut up,
Afraid this
guy.
camera's not doing
Wow.
it quite the justice
You're
it should
toxic.
be. And here we go. We're gonna go underneath it again. Oh, nope, not quite. How high the wave gets above. Those have got to be at least 40-foot waves that we're looking at right now. That's amazing.
An IRL backpack on a cruise
And here
sounds
comes
incredible.
in and over, but this is amazing.
I'm so drunk and my dick needs an NF female.
Holy
Get her going.
shit!
Oh, this is alright. This is getting dangerous.
Yeah.
This music, man, it gets me. I don't know why. That's annoying as hell, dude. They gotta clean all that shit up on a boat. Fuck. Oh, that guy just later. See ya. Why wouldn't they bolt down the furniture? Yeah, that's a good point. They probably do, right? Shouldn't they? Alright. That's enough looking at, yeah. 5 large waves versus buildings. That sounds kind of cool. I'm kind of down to watch that.
Welcome back, everyone.
Oh.
Today's video is on 5 large waves
Oh.
versus buildings.
Oh, I didn't know we were going to get a
Number
voice.
5. Tenerife is a small Spanish island in the Atlantic Ocean.
Oh.
It frequently gets hit by
Oh.
huge ocean waves. On this day, the surf was the highest ever, and this building on the coast gets hit directly by numerous large waves. What a terrible place to have a building.
Thanks, guy. Fucking asshole. Rip to the people who are sunbathing in the balcony. They're probably not sunbathing at this time.
Number 4. A number of large waves hits the Porthcawl Lighthouse in the United Kingdom. As you can see, quite a few spectators observe the carnage dealt by Mother Nature, but they should probably get to a safer spot.
You're a fucking dick, bro. They're just trying to check the waves, man. Let them check the waves. This guy's an asshole. It's 2 for 2 right there.
Number 3. This couple are treating themselves to a nice dinner out at a local restaurant, but suddenly a surprise rogue wave crashes through the window.
Oh.
Aw, here, it's okay.
Everyone was okay, but I certainly hope they got their money back. Number 2. The building here had just started its construction, but again, this is a terrible place to construct a building. The coastline of Ilfracombe, England, often gets hit by huge ocean swells like this.
She has a fucking dick.
Where the fuck I am.
This is a terrible place to put a building. Once again, terrible. Oh, that's funny as fuck, dude. How about the next video? Let's take out the next one. Is it also a terrible place to put the building? Oh. Fucking hell, man. That free car wash, though. Where's the building here? I thought this was waves over buildings. Please say something, please. I don't even care about the video, I just want to hear what he says. Fucking please do it. Oh, okay, alright.
Finally, number 1. If a house or building is located on the edge of a coastal cliff, over time the cliff will be eroded away by the waves. Beach erosion and storm surf is the number 1 way buildings are destroyed by waves. This is why it's probably a better idea to buy a house away from the beach.
That could have been better, but hey, it was good. That could have been better. This is gold. This is gold. I love this. I want to watch more videos now. Alright. Wait, there's more? Wait, how is there 5? You already went to number 1. How is there 5 more minutes? Oh, that was funny. Top 5s of the Disney Partner Channel. Why would they construct buildings so close to the ocean? Oh, that video was terrible. Oh, shit.